Hi guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how to unblock a phone number on INFINIX Zero 40. Firstly, open the phone's app, tap on the contacts and tap on the contact that you have blocked previously. As you can see, he's blocked, and now to unblock this guy, you just have to tap on the three dots top right corner and tap on unblock contact. There's also another way of doing it, so let me block this guy again. Block contact. And to unblock someone, you just have to go back, and while you're in contacts, tap on the three dots, tap on the gear icon, the right corner, blocked, three dots, filter rules, and now blacklist. And as you can see, here is our block number. You can also block a number from here. Then just tap on confirm, and now if you would like to unblock someone, you just have to tap on the trash icon, which is next to the phone number, so here and here. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.